Hey everyone! In this video, I will show you how to fix EA Sports FC26 not launching on your PC. First, open the EA Sports FC26 folder on your Windows. In this folder, find the fc26.exe file. Right-click on it and choose Properties. Now go to the Compatibility tab. Check the option that says Run this program as administrator. After that, click Apply and then click OK. Next, in the same folder, look for the EA Anti-Cheat or EAC file. Right-click on it, and again, enable Run this program as administrator. After doing this, try launching the game once. If the game still does not start, the next step is to install or repair Microsoft Visual C++. Go to a browser and search for Redist. From the search results, click on the official Microsoft page. On that page, scroll down and find the x86 version. Click Download and then run the setup. Choose Repair if it is already installed, or Install if it is not installed on your Windows. Once that is done, close everything and go back to the same page. This time, download the x64 version. Run the setup and again, select Repair or Install. Let the process finish completely. After both versions are done, restart your PC. Now, try to launch EA Sports FC26. In most cases, the game should start normally after this. Thanks for watching.